Hey guys, what's up? And today we're doing a little experiment and seeing what happens when you put snow inside a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so it recently just snowed a lot, and I was just wondering what would happen if you just put snow inside of a cube. You know, it's really cold out here and my hands are kind of freezing, so my turning's not going to be really good because my hands are really cold. So this is a Chi thunderclap, and let's just go ahead and see what it does. Okay, so we're ready to put the snow inside. Let's just grab a handful here. Just a little more. Alright, let's go ahead and put the pieces back in. Put a couple more little pieces on there. It's proving quite difficult to put back together. For some reason, it just doesn't want to be together. There we go. Had to unscrew the core all the way. It's weird. Okay. Okay, so it just got a lot colder. That's kind of weird. Once I started turning, it just got a lot colder. I guess because snow is cold. Well, first impressions are that at first it was really like sandy feeling. It's probably because the snow is probably still in a solid state. But as I'm turning it now, it just kind of turned back to normal. It just feels like a normal thunderclap. It's probably because it's just water, and water wouldn't do that much to a cube. It's not like a lube, so that was pretty fun. That was just a little experiment just to see what would happen, and the results were pretty cool. It got really sandy and then just turned normal. Oh, and it got really cold, which was really weird. Alright, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.